So, you're into adventure travel and the usual thrills just aren't cutting it anymore? You've climbed mountains, skydived, and surfed the biggest waves. But now you want something a little more edgy, something that will make your friends question your sanity. How about bungee jumping into an active volcano in Chile? Yes, it's a real thing, no jokes. If you're ready to take on one of the most extreme experiences in the world, buckle up, because we're about to walk you through how to make it happen. Let's be honest, this isn't your average bucket list item. Bungee jumping into an active volcano is the kind of adventure that leaves a lasting impression. Chile is home to Villarrica Volcano, one of the most active volcanoes in South America, making it the perfect setting for this ultimate adrenaline rush. Every year, around 100 thrill seekers from around the world come to Chile specifically for this jump. Why? Because it's not just about the jump, it's about the entire experience. The sheer magnitude of the volcano, the intense heat, and the surreal view of molten lava below, all while you're dangling by a bungee cord, create a memory that no roller coaster or skydiving experience can match. First things first, how do you get to this legendary jump site? Your journey starts in Santiago, Chile's vibrant capital. From there, you've got two options: fly to Temuco. This is the quickest way to get closer to Pucón. The 1.5-hour flight will get you within 2 hours of your final destination. Renting a car from Temuco gives you the freedom to explore on your own terms. Bus from Santiago to Pucón. If you've got time to spare, take the scenic route. An overnight bus ride lasting about 10 hours will take you through Chile's beautiful landscapes, and the buses here are surprisingly comfortable. Now, let's talk about preparing for the jump. This isn't just another thrill ride. It's a challenge that requires both physical and mental readiness. Physical fitness. You don't need to be a triathlete, but you should be in decent shape. The altitude, heat, and adrenaline will test your limits, so make sure you're prepared. Mental preparation. You're about to jump into a volcano. Let that sink in. While it's perfectly safe, the experience is intense. Trust in your guides. They've done this hundreds of times, and they know what they're doing. What to pack, think practical, comfortable clothes, sturdy shoes, sunscreen, and a good camera. The weather can change quickly, so pack layers and be prepared for anything. The big day, jumping into the volcano. So the day has finally arrived. After a detailed safety briefing, it's time to board the helicopter. As you soar over the Chilean landscape, the volcano looms in the distance, its smoking crater a reminder of the raw power of nature. Once the helicopter reaches the jump point, you'll be harnessed up and given the signal. This is it, the moment you've been waiting for. As you leap out of the helicopter, you'll free fall towards the bubbling lava below. The sensation of dropping into a volcano is something few people on this planet have experienced. It's pure adrenaline, pure exhilaration, and pure insanity in the best possible way. The jump itself is a 450-foot free fall, and you'll reach speeds of up to 70 miles per hour before the bungee cord catches you. For a few seconds, it's just you, the volcano, and gravity. No other jump in the world gives you the same rush. After the jump. Once you've completed the jump, you'll be flown back to safety, where you can finally catch your breath and soak in the reality of what you've just done. Exploring Pucón and beyond. After such an intense experience, you deserve a little relaxation. Pucón is more than just a gateway to the volcano. It's an adventure hub in its own right. Hot springs. The natural hot springs around Pucón are perfect for unwinding after your jump. Let the geothermal waters soothe your muscles and calm your mind. Lake Villarrica. The lake offers plenty of activities, from kayaking to paddleboarding, all with the stunning backdrop of the volcano you just conquered. Local cuisine. Pucón's food scene is another highlight. Treat yourself to traditional Chilean dishes like asado or curanto. You've earned it. Important tips and safety reminders. Before you take off on this wild adventure, here are a few last-minute tips. Travel insurance. Make sure your insurance covers extreme sports. This is non-negotiable. Stay informed. Always check the latest volcanic activity reports. While the experience is designed to be safe, nature is unpredictable. Capture the moment. You'll want to relive this moment forever. Bring an action camera if you can, but remember, Bungy Chile will provide professional footage so you won't miss a thing. So you're ready to take the plunge, literally. Bungee jumping into an active volcano in Chile is more than just a thrill. It's an experience that will leave you with stories for a lifetime. Get planning, get packing, and get ready to take on one of the world's most extreme adventures.